Hey guys, hope you really enjoyed that cinematic. I know we said we were going to get this video out today. This video, what video? Yeah, the snowmobile video that we totally haven't touched on, but I was trying to get the whole build video done and it's just taking a bit longer than I thought, so I'm sorry it didn't come out this week. Please enjoy the cinematic video. I really hope that you did. Please like, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned for next week or even sooner, because as soon as this is done, it's coming out. I may not even wait. I owe you guys a nice video. It's coming, I promise, but it's just taking way longer than I thought. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys soon. We'll see you guys in the next one. Could be a couple days, could be next week. Guess you'll have to wait to find out. Make sure you subscribe, get the notifications.